So the easy route is we're going to pass at Shek Pik. So there's a lot of people lining up, and the bus that we can take from here at Tongchong is 1, 23, and 11. So it's amazing how a lot of people are here today for hiking. I mean, the weather is really nice. I think it's the best time for hiking. And with me, there again, my dad, and there's 10 of us today, the C-Cup group. And let's see. We're gonna go to the Big Buddha just by hiking. So this is the crowd right now for Shek. We're gonna take bus 23, and it's quite frequent actually. We were supposed to take bus 11A. No, oh yeah, 11A, but it takes too long. So time check, it's 9:23. Guys, we just came down here at the which tab is this? Shek Pik police stand. So yeah, this will be, oh, you can take bus 11 as well. Just make sure you are checking on your Google Maps so that you can you'll be aware where you are already. So Shek Pik police stand is where you're gonna go down, and also so that it will be easier for you to know if you're there, just keep on checking the reservoir. Once you see the reservoir that is on your right, and the next stop you're gonna go down there, because we just went down from this from that road, and we just crossed the road here to go back to the counterpart. In here you can see the Buddha there. So that's where we're heading right now. Let's go! So we're here at the park. So we came from there all the way there to the bus stop, and then we walked back here. And yeah, there you go. There, we're going to walk all the way there, across the small bridge. And we're gonna start here, Shek Pik Country Trail. So yeah, let's get it on. Let's go. According to the guide, the only difficult part is the start, not that one, because there's more over there.
Oh my God! What a good! Ikot na ba kayo ng Buddha? Wala bang hagdan? Meron.
So after going up from there, second, no, third, it's here. Oh, good thing it's not that
Ayun yun
hard.
Uuhaw na.
Let's go. Let's go. Ginagawa nila. Time check, 10:25 from the entrance of the country park. So far so good. And yeah, I mean so far it's easy. But you know, I'd say this trail is easy so far for now. The way for the our vlogging setup today is still I'm using my phone for this regular talking head, and since I know that this is going to be an easy hike, just like what the travel guide mentioned, I brought my big camera, the A9 and my 7200, because I want to take photos at the same time. So we're not going light today, and so far it's okay, it's holding good. But I also brought my Tamron 17 to 28 for wider shots, because I don't miss a thing. It's small, and it's easy to carry. And oh yeah, I'm using my Peak Design backpack again, the 30-liter everyday backpack, which is not so ideal for hiking because it's not as comfortable compared to the one more backpack from DJI Tech. Anyway, I'll be updating you how the hike goes with all this stuff that I'm bringing. And yeah, guys, thank you so much, by the way, for hanging with me, hanging out, and I appreciate it a lot. If you do enjoy the content, please do consider liking and subscribing. Time check, 10:40, and this is the path where we are walking now. Okay, so we reached to this area here, and there. That's where we went down. So that's here. That's where we were earlier, over there. So now going up, we're going up here. There's stairs again. That's how it looks here. So this is the view. Yeah, it looks dangerous. To the point, there's a very steep cliff here. Well, these guys are gonna climb up, going there. Ooh. Man,
Yan yung nakikita natin doon sa baba, sabi ko na yung tayo. Oo, yung kanila, yun ang
because these guys are gonna go up, all the way up there. Man, I don't know if these areas are gonna go up too. Now we're just gonna pass here. This is not safe. So we just head straight, and we didn't go up. So here, just like I've said earlier, this is an easy trail, easy hike. No need to worry, only to start. Time check, 11:14. So while walking, I spotted this thing. I don't know, maybe it is a cave or not. So this is where we're passing right now. And going up still. welcome. This looks like this side had a landslide before, and you can see this big rock is being stopped by a tree or trees there. Hill from up there. So when it's rainy, it's a very dangerous place to hike. So that's why earlier they said that you have to watch out for flash floods and landslides. Okay, so we just reached here. I think out there you can see that there's some people there. The people are going down, coming up there. I think that's where they climb up and go down. This is the exit, I think, and this is where the pillars are. Here. I don't know. Going to the Buddha, we are passing through this seems like a small village. So we're here at this intersection. There's a way going straight and going to the right. Since we're going to the Buddha, we got here, so we're going to Hongping 360, and the bus terminal should be there. The big Buddha, as you can see here on my background, that's the big Buddha right there. As of the moment, it's being under renovation, so we cannot go up all the way up there. I mean, I was able to go there before. It's quite cool, but as of now it's under renovation. We cannot. We can go to the stairs, but we cannot go up